Hare Krishna. We are on the 9th verse of the second chapter of Gita today, which goes Sanjaya Uvacha Evam Uktva Hrishikesham Gudakeshah Parantapah Nayotsya iti Govindam Uktva Tushnim Babhuvaha. Sanjaya said, having spoken thus, Arjuna, chastiser of enemies, told Krishna, Govinda, I shall not fight, and fell silent. So here we see it's a second affirmation from Arjuna that he will not fight. The first affirmation we got in the last verse of the first chapter 46th shloka.
Sanjaya said, Arjuna, having thus spoken on the battlefield, cast aside his bow and arrow and sat down on the chariot, his mind overwhelmed with grief.
Wherein Arjuna sat on the chariot giving up his Gandiva. Again Krishna spoke some harsh words and Arjuna came to the point of surrender. 2 shlokas back we saw in the 7th verse of the second chapter, one of the most important verses of the Bhagavad Gita, the 7th verse of the second chapter. Arjuna says, now I am confused about my duty and have lost all composure because of my miserly weakness. In this condition I am asking you to tell me for certain what is best for me. Now I am your disciple and a soul surrendered unto you. Please instruct me. Arjuna said to Krishna, Yah Shreyas Syat Nishchitam. Whatever is best for me in long term, Bruhitan me, please tell me. Shishyasteham, I am your surrendered disciple. Shadhi Mam, please instruct me. Tvam Prapannam, now I lay in your discretion. Arjuna has chosen Krishna as his guru, but yet he is unilaterally taking a decision without consultation or affirmation from Krishna. This is something which is not good for Arjuna, and Arjuna here represents all of us. When we accept God in our lives, then what is the meaning of accepting God? It simply does not mean that we accept God and keep on doing whatever we want, however we want. That is not really accepting God in our lives. So Arjuna has accepted Krishna as his Guru Varya, and yet he is unilaterally taking a decision without consultation or affirmation from Krishna. This is the predicament that many of us face in our lives. We accept God, we believe in God, we do recognize God in our lives, but when it amounts to taking affirmations or his clarifications, we really fall short. We keep doing what we want, and yet we say, oh, I believe in God, I am a devotee. So Krishna has very heavy reservations with this kind of mentality, and that is why Arjuna is being put in such predicament. We see time and again Krishna is being addressed as Hrishikesha. Hrishikesha means master of senses, and here also Krishna is being addressed as Govinda, which means the pleasure giver to senses. So Krishna is the one who gives pleasure to mind and senses. Krishna is the one who is the master of our mind and senses, and he is personally there with Arjuna. How can he let go Arjuna astray? It's impossible. So we will have Krishna coming up with his unique way of correcting Arjuna very nicely. But here Sanjaya says that Arjuna fails on his duty to take guidance and acceptance of Krishna. We see in our lives also, Guru is a very, very important via media that links us to the Supreme. He is a person who is a transparent medium who gets us closer to God's mercy. In today's world, sadly because of wrong mentalities and even more sadly because of wrong representations by actually people who are sitting on these seats, people take having a guru to be a fashion. मेरे पास बंगला है, गाड़ी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, पत्नी है, बच्चे हैं, मेरे पास कुत्ते हैं, नौकर चाकर हैं, गाड़ियां हैं और मेरे पास एक गुरु भी है. So guru has become like a fashion point. It is not like this. Krishna explains in Bhagavad Gita, we will see ahead in 4th chapter 34th verse. He says, Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshanti te jnanam jnaninah tattvadarshinah. So when we approach a spiritual master, 3 things: pranipata, surrender; pariprashna, good enquiries, absolute enquiries; and sevaya, serving the spiritual master. So surrender to the spiritual master, asking relevant enquiries and service. This is how we get mercy of Guru, and through mercy of Guru we get mercy of Krishna. So Arjuna is or will be towed along by Krishna in getting to this line, and this is what we will be seeing in Bhagavad Gita ahead. So please be with us. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.